been a fantastic journey for us. It's been very positive for us as a company, but also I think, interacting with the sponsors and NC3Rs.
It's also allowed my group and my collaborators to find new connections, to have more funding, and to develop not just this technology, but other technologies.
Crackit has been a large part of the process that has got us to where we are just now. As I said, these systems, especially the ones in the middle, are in multiple facilities worldwide now, several hundred out in the wild.
And I'd strongly encourage SMEs to get involved in this. The challenge really allowed us to get started on a concrete problem that needed solving. It was great to have that focus. It provided access to good partners, and it really did provide a springboard for further technology development and leverage. No doubt in my mind, the Crackit system, we wouldn't be where we are now if we hadn't got involved in the Crackit.
This has been by far the best project I have ever gotten involved in.
Great. I would encourage anyone to take part in the Crackit project.
Complex biological questions like these ones require multidisciplinary approaches, and Crackit is supporting these approaches.
The Crackit challenge is a huge opportunity because you're not reaching out at the beginning to an individual. This provides you a good overview and makes you sure that you select the one which is best suited to come up with the model you're asking for. So I think that's really, that's excellent.
Bringing people together from different pharma companies, it's not just access to those companies developing these systems, it's having a common goal across all the different pharma, or at least a small set of the pharma. I think that helps a lot.
To me, that is also really of value because, we kind of accompanied you on the way of developing a product which in the end is useful for us.
We articulated a complex challenge, and Crackit really allowed us to do that. And I'm not sure that we really could have done that in the way that we did outside of something like Crackit.